guys, what's up? And thanks for stopping by my channel, SimplyCrystalMichelle. And today I wanted to review for you guys this hair that I have installed on my head. I decided to put this hair in because I'm on vacation. I'm out here in Philly with my best girlfriend and my boyfriend. We're having a great time, and I just figured it's raining, it's humid, the weather's changing. One minute it's cold, one minute it's hot, one minute it's humid, and I didn't want to worry about anything, so I decided to put this in. And this is from the company Janet Collection, and I was so excited to try this hair. I reached out to them because I really wanted to try it because passion twist is a very popular hairstyle, and I've done it kind of multiple times. Not the original way. I've done like elongated spring twists and things like that, but it takes a very long time, one, to install. Also takes a long time to actually do like the crochet twist yourself. So when I saw that they had this already twisted for me, 24 inches, I was like, okay, yes, I'm trying that. So this is what it looks like. I have it in the shade 1B. I received 6 packs, but I used 5 out of the 6 packs to install on my head. I did the individual method only in the first row because I don't got time for that. And then I cornrowed my hair, and I did the crossover method because I hate when you see cornrows going back and then you can just see the spaces. So I love doing the crossover method, and I'll include some clips of what that looks like. And then I went ahead and I just crocheted and installed it on my head. So it took me about 8-7 hours to twist my hair before this very length I wore to my friend's wedding. I'll put a little picture right here. This took me an hour and a half while I was also watching a lecture, stopping and doing other things. So not including the braiding time and me washing my hair, I prepped my hair the day before, but just the crocheting time, that's all it took. Now the pros about this hair is that it's already pre-twisted. I love that at the ends they have like, it's kind of like loose hair, and you can go ahead and add a perm rod to it. You can make it straighter if you want. You can add some loose wave curls in between if you want that extra bohemian look. You can also, like, you know, put hair jewelry in, whatever you want to kind of bring this look out. And I didn't want it too bulky, so I filled in the front. I love that it kind of like lays. It's also not heavy. Ironically, I found that my box braids I did before were a lot heavier, and I'll also include a link for that video here. But it's not heavy at all. It's very comfortable. What are some other pros about this? It's soft. I love the look. It actually looks like the passion twist. It doesn't look like fake or processed or anything like that. I've gotten a lot of compliments. However, some of the cons are that I do feel like sometimes the hairs can get a little bit loose, and I do notice with passion twist in general, I've heard it doesn't last as long as box braids because it's supposed to be a loose, easy breezy kind of look, versus box braids are very like tight and intricate. So that is something you have to look out for. I do know I've had this in for a week, and I already have a little bit of flyaways and frizz in the front. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and just use some mousse to pretty much smooth that down. But what I love about these is that you can reuse them. I probably can just like dip it in some hot water to just reseal the hair. It's just very effortless and just pretty, and I just love that it's not heavy. I could not deal with that at all. Also, when you are installing it, I do notice with the loop, because it is twisted, you just really want to make sure that when you do this, that you really pull it taut, or you even maybe want to like double loop to just make sure that nothing is like re-loosening or anything like that. Like even right now I did a few, and now I feel a lot more secure. But overall, I love this hair. I can't wait to try this out again. I do want to try maybe like their beautiful blonde colors. Like this is a specific look that I want to do. It's very like bohemian and different. I hope to do that for my next vacation when I go to Greece. But let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna include some shots. This is the length. By the way, it's 24 inches. They also have an 18-inch. I don't know if it's a 20-inch. I think there's like 3 lengths that they do. They have an array of colors. Look how long it goes on me. To my little booty. I'm 5 feet, so just keep that in mind. I'm pretty like proportioned, but it goes really long on me. But I absolutely love this look. I'm gonna keep it in for a while, and all I do at night is just throw my hair up like this and put my big huge bonnet on, and then I'm ready to go. I have no complaints whatsoever. So comment down below what you think about this. I'll also put the prices down below. I think I said I used 5 packs. Guys, I'm just I'm really feeling this look. And also follow me at SimplyCrystalMichelle on Instagram, so that way you can see all the pictures and find all the details of what's going on. I post a lot on there, so I change up my hairstyles quite a few times. I don't always get to record all of it for YouTube. But thumbs up also if you want to see a tutorial, okay? Because I did record that, so if you are interested in how I install it, give me a thumbs up. And as always, happy healthy hair journey, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye!